Alright guys, welcome back. Today is December 6th, and we are going to get into door number 6. So let's go ahead and open that up. Okay, for number 6, we got Blitzen's Mouth Blitzer Extra Hot. On the side here it says, Blitzen often needs a little firing up as Christmas Eve approaches. This carefully blended mix of cayenne, habanero, and Tabasco pepper is just what the doctor ordered. So I'm gonna add a little bit in here. This is extra hot, so we'll see how hot it actually is. Smells a lot like number 2. It smells spicy and vinegary and a cayenne smell. It does taste a lot like number 2. It's definitely spicy. It's got good flavor, really good flavor. It tastes like a mix of number 2 and number 4, the one with the wasabi powder in it. I really do like it. I'm enjoying it. Okay, now let's look at the back of the box. All right, here is number 6, Blitzen's Mouth Blitzer. Let's look at the ingredients. It has distilled vinegar, cayenne pepper, habanero peppers, Tabasco peppers, salt, and xanthan gum. So it doesn't have the sorbic and citrus acid in there. It has a really good flavor. Alright, thanks for watching. Join me tomorrow, December 7th, and we're going to open up door number 7.